Alright, welcome back. I know many of us are very familiar with this equation, but we don't know how to prove the equation. Alright, I'll be using a very unique method today to show you the secret behind this equation. Let's get started. We know that e raised to the power of x in Maclaurin series is n from 0 to infinity x raised to the power n over n factorial. Now I can rewrite this in form of e raised to the power ix. That would be from n equal to 0 to infinity ix raised to the power of n over n factorial. Now let's try to analyze this. When n equal to 0, we are going to have it as 1. When n equal to 1, we have it as ix 1 factorial. When n equal to 2, we have it as ix raised to the power 2 over 2 factorial. When n equal to 3, we have it as ix raised to the power 3 over 3 factorial. When n equal to 4, ix raised to the power 4 over 4 factorial. When n equal to 5, ix raised to the power 5 over 5 factorial, plus when n equal to 6, ix raised to the power 6 over 6 factorial, plus when n equal to 7, ix raised to the power 7 over 7 factorial, plus when n equal to 8, ix raised to the power 8 over 8 factorial, plus dot 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 is continuing like that. Alright, from here now we can have it as 1 plus ix over 1 factorial plus, now we know that here we have it as I raised to the power what? 2, and that will give us minus 1 rather. Minus 1 times x squared will give us x squared over 2 factorial. Now I raised to the power 3 usually give us what? Minus I. Usually give us minus I. Minus I, so minus I raised to the power 3 over 3 factorial plus I raised to the power 4 will give us 1. That is s raised to the power 4 over 4 factorial plus I raised to the power 5 will give us I. That is I s raised to the power 5 over 5 factorial plus I raised to the power 6 will surely give us what? Minus I. Sorry for this. It should be minus I. So I raised to the power 6 will give us what? Minus 1. Let's try how I always get the answer. You know that we have I raised to the power 4 to be 1, right? To be 1. I raised to the power 5 will just be 1 times I, which is I. Now I raised to the power 6 will just be I raised to the power 5 times I. What is I raised to the power 5? Answer is I. Then times another I. You have what? Minus 1. Do you get it like that? So we have here as minus 1. We have it as minus, but we can write minus 1 something. So it will be minus 1 times s to the power 6. That will now be minus s to the power 6 over 6 factorial. Then the 1 of 7 will give us minus I s to the power 7 over 7 factorial plus 8. I raised to the power 8 will just give us 1, and that's s to the power 8 over 8 factorial. Now I can do the 1 of 9 also. I can do the 1 of 9. That will just be I x raised to the power 9 over 9 factorial. The 1 of 10 will just give us minus x 10 over 10 factorial. The 1 of 12 should give us minus I s to the power 12, sorry 11 rather. The 1 of 11 should give us minus I raised to the power 11 over 11 factorial, and the 1 of 12 should give us plus x raised to the power 12 over 12 factorial plus dot dot dot. You can try to cross check if I got anyone wrong. Alright, from here we have I raised to the power s. Now let's separate the real from the imaginary. So the real 1 minus x squared over 2 factorial plus x4 x raised to the power 4 over 4 factorial minus x raised to the power 6 over 6 factorial, which one is real again, plus x raised to the power 8 over 8 factorial, which one is real again, minus x raised to the power 10 over 10 factorial. The real one also is this 12, that will be plus x raised to the power 12 over 12 factorial. Do not forget the real also continue, that is plus dot 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 3 dots plus. Now let's pick the one of imaginary and factorize the imaginary part out. That is x, we have the one of imaginary as x. The one of imaginary again is minus x3 over 3 factorial. The one of imaginary again is x raised to the power 5 over 5 factorial. The one of imaginary again is minus x raised to the power 7 over 7 factorial. The one of imaginary again is plus x raised to the power 9 over 9 factorial. The one of imaginary again is minus x raised to the power 11 over 11 factorial plus dot dot dot. Now, what can we say about all of this? E raised to the power ix will now be, if you check this very well, is a microwave series of a trig function, which is cos. So this is representing cos s plus I. If you check this is a microwave series of a function in trig, which is sine. So sine s. So e raised to the power ix, e raised to the power ix is equal to what? Cos x plus I sine x. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel for more. Thank you so much.